Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, the sun is shining. It's cloudy, but the sun is breaking right through. Finally got the car outside, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the passenger side carpet, get it to fit. If I can find my razor, there it is. All right, so wish me luck. Let's see if I can get this done without ruining it. All right, so basically I gotta push down on it per the instructions. All right, make sure that it's fully seated, and cut it right along here. And it should be okay as long as I don't cut my fingers off right here. So let's try this out. Oh boy, this is scary. Come on, you can do it. Oh man, if I slip, it's gonna be ugly. Oh, come on. What if I get it from this side? Alright, maybe this will work. Okay, that's better. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop here. You know what? I can't do this while I'm recording. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and then I'll show you the finished product. There it is. My apologies. I can't record while I work because the only way I can do that, I need both hands to work, and I have a baseball cap clip that goes on my baseball cap, of course, and this GoPro is a little bit on the heavy side, so it keeps lowering itself, and then it blocks my vision, and no matter how tight I put this cap on, it still slides down. So plus I didn't want to make a mistake, cut my fingers off, or you know, just make a mistake and cut the carpet if it slips. But she's on, she's completed. There's the finished product. It looks good. I put the last bolt in place. I put the seat back in place. The seat belts are there. I did forget, this has some clips that go here. You can snap the seatbelt in place this way. I guess they don't flap around. So there's one here, and there's a twin that goes on that side for two. So you have 3 passengers in the back, and you used to have 3 passengers in the front. I have all the seat, but maybe I'll put those seat belts back in just for the hell of it. It'll be cool. All right, I think that'll do it. I think that'll do it for now, and until I get the new tires. I guess when they come in, we'll get them put on and have the wheels balanced and get the wheel alignment. Other than that, I think she's ready to hit the road. I mean, everything seems to be okay. Oh, my apologies. You know, the shifter. I never gave you guys a little demonstration. Oh, there's the trunk. There's a small amp that I have on there for the 6x9s. There's my trunk. Yep, I have my keys. Let me show you how this works. The shifter is awesome. Honestly, I didn't think it was going to be that nice, but it's pretty nice. It takes a little getting used to, but you know, it's like once you learn it, it's like riding a bike. You can't forget. It's pretty smooth. I can't believe that I got it in one shot. one shot. I don't have to adjust the cables. I did it all underneath the car when I first installed it. But there she is. Let me hold the brake. Actually, I don't need to hold the brake. This emergency brake works. It's on. All right, so basically what you do is you lift, one detent, reverse, neutral. All right, so that's neutral. It still needs to go. When I shift it into drive, the shifter drops into a slot. Check it out. That's drive. You didn't have to lift. Now you can go back into neutral, go back into drive, go back into neutral, but you can't go into reverse or park. I'm gonna think that's a safety feature, right? So let's see. That's neutral, and you can't lift in neutral. You have to go back to drive, lift it, goes back into neutral, lift it again, goes into reverse, and then park. So there it is. There it is. Drive, second, first, right? So let's just say you're at a light, right? And you're gonna go from light to light, right? You're in a race. You drop it all the way into first, right? And then you take off, you rev it to about 7,000 RPMs, and then you smack it into second, and then you rev it to 7,000 RPMs again, and bam! You go into third. And then you lose the race because you blew the engine. Because it only goes up to about 6,500. You're lucky if you don't blow the engine, right? Anyway, folks, that's it. This has been a journey for me. It's been a lot of fun. I plan on driving this car a lot this season. So hopefully you guys will come along for the ride. I'll be recording most of it. Maybe I'll take the grandkids out, take them for a ride, hit a few spots. I'm tired. There it is. She's done. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you guys. Hope to see you soon. Check out my next video. Bye now.